What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake Instagrams, Telegrams, YouTubes. A lot of people making these fake King Hussle pages, scamming people, and y'all still falling for it. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business, and to make sure you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, you know I'm back at it with some gems. Y'all know I'm dropping these gems for y'all. Y'all know I'm finna get y'all together. Y'all know I'm gonna show y'all and tell y'all about places and credit cards and loans and lines of credit and all this good stuff that don't nobody else want to tell y'all. And I'm gonna tell y'all and show y'all how to get it. So today we're gonna be talking about a place that's giving up to $5,000, no social security number, no SSN. In a couple months, you can boost it up to $10,000. Yeah, it's a credit card. 5% cash back on 5 brands. 1% unlimited cash back. Up to 10% cash back on 10K plus outlets. Yes, I'm talking about a place called Zov, right? So today we're going to be talking about Zov. They're giving out $5,000 credit cards, and you got the opportunity to raise your limit in a couple of months. How can you beat that, right? So it's a lot of people out there that need credit cards. There's a lot of people out there that need loans. It's a lot of people out there that need lines of credit. And like I've explained to you guys before, the difference between all three. Credit card is money lent to you. It's credit being lent to you on a card. So you have that money on this card, right? Boom. Then you got your loans. That's hard cash that's being direct loaned to you into your bank account. Then you got the lines of credit. It's a line of credit, and whatever you need, you pull out. And wherever you pull out, you are responsible for it. So if you got $100,000 line of credit and you only pull out $50,000, you're only responsible for the $50,000 and not the whole $100,000. But if you take out the whole $100,000, you're responsible for the whole $100,000. You're only responsible for what you take out, all right? And a lot of people don't be understanding that. And a lot of people be getting these high limit loans and need to do things and be mad because they don't need all that money. So that's why a lot of people shy away from loans and they start to get lines of credit, because it's the exact same thing. You just won't be penalized for what you don't use. All right, so if it was me, I prefer a line of credit, because if I get a $100,000 line of credit and let's say I take this line of credit and I go buy me a couple cars from a auction or something like that, and I resell them and I make that $50,000 back plus more. I didn't need that whole $100,000. Oh, I could have used that whole $100,000 and got more cars, but it's all depends on what you got going on, what you want to do, and what you're trying to establish. Lines of credit will help you very, very, very well. It's the same as a loan, all right? And a lot of people, they just want money. So then a lot of people shy away from credit cards and loans because all they know about is credit cards and lines of credit, because all they know is loans. They know if you get a loan, they're going to give you some money. Y'all got to start getting more educated. And that's why I make these videos and explain these in all the videos so you can continue to hear it. I will continue to preach it, and it can be brainwashed into you guys' brain, and you can start learning credit and start telling people about credit, and then they'll start looking at you like you know something that they don't know, all right? So I'm trying to improve everybody's brain and membrane to learn this credit game so you can be in the same position and start getting loans, lines of credit, walking off the lot with any car that you want, going in the bank, getting any loan that you want, walking in the bank, getting any credit card that you want, and being able to use other people's money to become successful, all right? So today we're going to be talking about Zov, a high-limit credit card, fueling your ambitions, and they'll get you together, all right? So without further ado, let's check out Zov. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Zov, a high-limit credit card, fueling your ambitions, all right? So up to $5,000 credit limit, 5% cash back on 5 brands, 1% unlimited cash back, and up to 10% cash back on 10K plus outlets, all right? So tailor-made. We have re-engineered banking to make money work for you and your global ambitions. High limit credit card. Whether it's grocery shopping or the dream laptop or an emergency expense, we've got your back with a high limit credit card. All right, so look, no SSN required. We know you are new to America. Your visa, passport, and basic personal information is enough to get you started with Zolve account. All right, so y'all don't need no SSN, no social security numbers to get this card. All right. Transfer money internationally. Cheaper, faster, and safer way to send and receive money from anywhere in the world. They got a 5-minute online application. Sign up before you leave home so that when you know what I'm saying? So giving your dream the credit card, no SSN required. Amazing partner program, international card with no form. They got all that. Then they got the Sapphire Zolve Sapphire card. Apply with SSN or ITIN or passport. No security deposit, no annual fee or interest, no credit check. Yeah, they got it going on. You just fill them out. You go tap in with them. So yeah, Zolve is pretty good. They got get started on your credit building journey, add money, checking account. Spend anywhere online or in stores with the money you have in your account. Build credit. All your spends are reported to credit bureaus as positive repayment history. Payment behavior. Get upgraded to a credit card to limit up to $5,000. No SSN. It's a what value feature you most like? No SSN, so you don't need no SSN. Check. It's not required. No fees or charges. Earn rewards, cashback. No credit history is required. Build your credit using a bank account. 2% APY on cashback deposits. Get a high limit credit card in 4 minutes. 4 months. My bad. So easy credit building. Upgrade in no time. Unlock benefits with credit card benefits. Truly amazing rewards. Safety counts. No credit checks. No security deposit. No annual fee. Apply with SSN, ITIN, or passport. Get amazing rewards and cashback. Upgrade to a credit card. So Zolve got some good options for people. They got scholarships, student loans. They got a lot of different options for people. All right, so if you're interested in this, they got it in New York, and they got it in Bangalore. I don't know what that's overseas. So yeah, check them out. See what they got going on. They got no SSN credit cards, and they got credit builder credit cards with the $5,000, both $5,000. See what's going on with them. See if you apply. See if you like what they got to offer, and take it from there. So without further ado, let's talk about Zolve. So let's talk about it. Zolve, they giving out $5,000 no SSN credit cards, and they giving out $5,000 credit builder credit cards to people. All right, they working with people from overseas, and they working with people that are in the United States. All right, so make sure y'all go check them out, man. See if you get approved for that $5,000 credit card. Go get approved for that $5,000 credit builder credit card, and start building your credit. All right, and these are all trade lines. I keep trying to tell y'all, trade lines will boost your credit. Trade lines is trade lines, point blank period. If you got your own trade line or you buying one off the site, a trade line is a trade line. It's going to be reported to your credit, so make it count. Make it make sense. If you can go buy these trade lines, you can go buy literally credit to put, debt to put on your credit to make your credit go up. Why wouldn't you do that? I do it all the time. It makes life go easier. You don't have to go to this store and get this product and pay on it. No, you can just go to Credit Strong. Go to Trade Line Supply. Go to shoptradelines.com. Go to self.com. Go to Incredible.com. Go to Ava.com. Go to rentcreditboost.com. Go to all these sites and just add the trade lines and watch your credit skyrocket high. So next video, I'm going to be showing you guys about how to add trade lines, what type of trade lines and what trade lines can do for you and your credit, how to boost your credit and all that type of stuff, right? So make sure you go check out Zolve. Go get that $5,000 no SSN credit card, or that $5,000 credit builder credit card, and go improve your life, right? Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans, supporters, new supporters, old fans, subscribers, old subscribers, new fans, old fans, all that, all right? So without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep getting up early and dropping these videos and staying consistent and doing what I need to do to help y'all out. So shout out to y'all, all right? Anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons will be $600. You want me to teach you how to clean your credit, build your credit, and get credit cards, lines of credits, and loans, $600. But if you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500, all right? Anybody out there looking to get their FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, it's going to be $1,200. I'm going to teach you about CPNs, how to clean and build your credit, documents that you will need, how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, DW information, methods, everything that you need to know, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in on the FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, all right? Also, make sure y'all booking y'all mentorships. I'm taking people under my wing and I'm putting y'all in a position to make some money with me, all right? So you're going to get everything that the unlimited gems come with, plus you're going to get the DW information, and we're going to make passive income with this YouTube automation, all right? I'm going to show you some tricks. I'm going to show you how to get some things popping, and we're going to make money together, all right? If the channel making 10,000, you're going to get 5,000, I get 5,000. If it's making 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. As long as you put in the same hard work and determination and grind that I'm putting in to build this channel, all right? So tap in with that. Also, book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person limited gems, Miami, Florida, May 26th through the 29th. 10 seats available, $3,500, $500 deposit, $3,000 when we get the rest of the money when we get in person. All right, we're gonna be making money. We're gonna music videos. We're gonna be turning up. We finna have a ball. All right, so come turn up with me. Come make this money with me. Come get y'all gems. Come tap in. Come learn this good information that you really need to apply to your life and elevate. Because I promise you, once you get your gems, once you get your information, you're going to really hear what I'm saying. And then the things that I can't tell y'all on YouTube or tell y'all too much for free, when I do tell y'all that, y'all going to be like, wow, just like everybody else does. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, booking your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person limited gems, Miami, Florida, May 26th through the 29th, Memorial Day weekend, South Beach. I'm invading, 10 slots available, $3,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money we in person. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company, so make sure y'all tapping in. I'm still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, content creators, videographers, producers, all that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews will be $200. Any beautiful ladies out there looking to elevate, ready to get behind this camera, ready to get into some shows, ready to see yourself in these videos and these TV series and these blogs, all that, you want to see yourself on the screen, tap in. I'm gonna help you elevate. I'm gonna help you build your brand. I'm gonna help you build your platform. Just make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed, and I don't have time for that. All right, so make it make sense, and let's make money together. All right, teamwork make the dream work. Looking for videographers out there. Anybody that go shoot the video and go home and edit the video, 4K or better camera, good masking skills, good color grade, good FX effects, good transitions, all that. Tap in. Let's win. Content equals views. Views equal money. The more content we produce, the more views we produce, the more money we'll make. Easy as that. All right, so let's build this team. Let's all win. Let's all eat. Let's take it to the next level. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I see you at the next. Peace.